Electricity, by its very nature, powers industry, it powers the provinces, states that we work in, and is only useful when it's actually there. Is it possible to work on all of these high voltage electric systems and not turn the power off? Well, not only is it possible, we do it every day.
We at Allteck understand there's a global demand for rebuild of the aging infrastructure of the transmission and distribution systems.
We work every day around high voltage electricity, huge currents flowing through these wires. It's an inherently risky environment. So we have to go above and beyond to make sure that everything our people do is done with safety in mind.
Allteck prides itself in having the highest safety standards in the industry. Our highly skilled workers meet that standard.
We rely on our guys because we know that they have what it takes. So we spend countless hours training these guys to be able to go and be successful in these missions.
When it's all said and done, we can have the best technology, we can have the best training, but it really does come down to the people.
We don't just sell a service, we're selling people. Allteck's a company that's built on its people.
Our best resource, our number one resource is our people.
Allteck's linemen want to be the best. It's in their blood. You know, when the lights go out, we go out there and we know we have a job to do.
We're always looking out for each other. If somebody sees something that maybe somebody else doesn't, nobody's afraid to speak up.
It's about the work, it's about the coolness of the work. The linemen are here are linemen and like being linemen.
My dad was a lineman. My kids come up to me and say, "Dad, that's a cool job. I want to be a lineman." Couldn't think of anywhere else I'd rather be, and I love to do it.
It's an adventure. Sometimes you need to get into places that maybe weren't meant for trucks or meant for linemen to go.
Linemen in general face many challenges, and I mean, you just basically do whatever it takes to get through. And with that, Allteck provides us with the equipment required. There's really nothing that we couldn't do or get to.
Our guys go out day in and day out on every mission and they come back successful, the job's done correctly, the customer's getting a good product, and their power is staying on.
Our employees every day are living it, so they have to have the right tools, the highest and best training that they can possibly receive. And so we've gone a long way at Allteck to make sure that when we say we're going to deliver something, we do that. And there's nothing more important for our employees to do for our customers.
Everybody I talk to is proud to work for this company. They're proud to wear the logo. They're proud to have that decal on the side of the door. And that passion is what drives us into the future. The strength of Allteck comes from the people that work here, bar none.